I'm up here on the roof of my Sunflyer, and it's because I want to point out a couple really special features. First of all, your roof is actually fiberglass. It's not rubber, so you don't have to worry about chalking or tearing. And take a look at this. You see those big humps right there? You got two of them on this motorhome right over here. Well, those are your air conditioner units. Let me zoom in on that real quick so you know what I'm talking about. Now notice what's conveniently missing. No ACs. And it's not because there's not air conditioning. Of course there's air conditioning, but they're not mounted on the roof. And what that does, it eliminates a potential leak spot because you don't have to worry about caulking around your AC. And it also is going to make this a lot lower profile. So you don't have to worry about going out of your campsite and having a branch take out your really expensive AC. Now if you can take a look up above here, you'll notice you've actually got solar panels. And so they've invested even more money upgrading this guy, so you've got a trickle charger to always keep your batteries charged. Now let's take a look at how well your inside's designed.